Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to look at some of the core fundamental data analysis libraries that are offered by the Python ecosystem. But before we do, why Python for data analysis? Well, in the year 2020, Python became the fourth most used language in the world after JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and SQL. And there is an estimated 44.1% of developers using Python around the world. So what makes Python so popular? Well, Python is easy to learn. If you're learning programming for the first time, perhaps the best way to do so is to learn Python, which is characterized by very simple syntax and is also supported by a large online community around the world. So if you are stuck on something, a simple Google search will help you solve your problem in a matter of minutes. Perhaps another good reason is that Python has become so popular and widely used among data analysts and data scientists. And this is largely due to the impressive set of libraries that seem to work perfectly for every stage of data analysis and data science processes. And it is because of the vast available libraries on why Python is great for data analysis. So let's explore these libraries which we are going to install and use throughout the course. So let's start with the NumPy library. NumPy is short for Numerical Python. It is the most powerful scientific library available in Python for handling multi-dimensional arrays, matrices, and methods in order to compute mathematics efficiently. Next we have SciPy. This is another powerful scientific computing library for performing scientific, mathematical, and engineering operations. And one of my favorite libraries is Pandas. This is a data exploration and manipulation library that offers tabular data structures such as data frames and various methods for data analysis and manipulation. So the other library is Scikit, which stands for Scientific Toolkit for Machine Learning. It is a machine learning library that offers a variety of supervised and unsupervised algorithms such as regression, classification, dimensionality reduction, cluster analysis, and anomaly detection. So next we have a core data visualization library which is known as Matplotlib. It is the base library for all other visualization libraries in Python, which we shall get to in a moment. It offers 2D and 3D plots, graphs, charts, and figures for data exploration. One key thing is that Matplotlib runs on top of NumPy and SciPy. Next we have another visualization library called Seaborn, which is based on Matplotlib. Think of it as a mechanism that takes away the complexity of Matplotlib and simplifies it considerably. So therefore, drawing visualization with Seaborn becomes much more easier and organized. And the last library that we are going to look into is Plotly. Well, Plotly offers high quality and interactive graphs, such as scatter charts, line charts, bar charts, histograms, box plot, heat maps, and subplots. Alright, so these are the libraries that have made Python a popular choice for data analysis. I'm sure you're itching to get started with these libraries, but first we need to get together and go through the widely used and more common data analysis processes such as KDD, SEMA, and CRISP-DM. I know I have said a mouthful here, and you might have trouble understanding some of the buzzwords that you probably never heard before. Please don't break your skull just yet. We are going to cover most of these Python libraries, and it will start making sense through practice. So, see you on the next one. Goodbye.